The Story of Chicken Little. One day, Chicken Little was playing in the yard when whack! An acorn hit her on the head. "Oh my! The sky is falling! The sky is falling!" she said. "I have to tell Cocky Locky and warn the others." She ran by the barn and said to Cocky Locky, "Cocky Locky, Cocky Locky, the sky is falling, the sky is falling." "Cock-a-doodle-doo, it is. Well then, we have to tell Ducky Daddles." They ran by the lake and saw Ducky Daddles. "Ducky Daddles, Ducky Daddles, the sky is falling, the sky is falling." Ducky Daddles said, "Quack, quack, it is? Well then, we have to tell Goosey Lucy." They ran by the river and shouted to Goosey Lucy, "Goosey Lucy, Goosey Lucy, the sky is falling, the sky is falling." Goosey Lucy said, "Honk, honk, it is? Well then, we have to tell Turkey Lurkey." They ran into the forest and spoke to Turkey Lurkey. "Turkey Lurkey, Turkey Lurkey, the sky is falling, the sky is falling." Turkey Lurkey said, "Gobble, gobble, gobble, it is? Well then, we have to tell the king as soon as possible." But on the way to tell the king, they met Foxy Woxy. Foxy Woxy talks to himself, "I will invite them into my cave, then I can eat them all." "Foxy Woxy, Foxy Woxy, the sky is falling, the sky is falling. We have to tell the king." Foxy Woxy said, "I can help. Follow me. I know a shortcut to the king." Foxy Woxy led Chicken Little, Cocky Locky, Ducky Daddles, Goosey Lucy, and Turkey Lurkey right to his den. He licked his lips and said, "Step inside to see the king." "Tricky Foxy Woxy, the king is not in there." They shouted and ran away as fast as they could. At last, they arrived at the castle. "King, king, the sky is falling, the sky is falling. A piece of it fell on my head." King says, "The sky is not falling. An acorn fell on your head." The king chuckled as he plucked the acorn from Chicken Little's head. And so Turkey Lurkey, Goosey Poosey, Ducky Daddles, Cocky Locky, and Chicken Little went back home. Phew! The sky is not falling. Hooray! Hooray!